How's it going? My name's Nick. I'm a contractor with Coastal Elite Roofing. We're here at 9056 Oakfield Drive for Mr. Philip Green. We had heard that you guys requested a repairability video to test the repairability of Mr. Philip's roof. So that's what we're going to be completing for you guys today. We're going to take out one of these damaged shingles that got damaged from the hurricane, and we're going to replace it with a new shingle and see the structure of the shingles around the damaged shingle, see how they hold up under a repair. So I'm going to take out this shingle right here. So to do that, I'm going to remove all the nails from this nail line and this nail line up here in order to remove this one. Well, this one's already got blown out hardly, so it makes it easy for us. But here's the old damage, and I'm going to remove all these nails up here. Good thing I brought extra nails. And I'm trying to be careful not to lift these shingles any further than 45 degrees. It should be good. Can you hear me that new shingle? Yep. Now I'll just take the new same style architectural shingle, slide it into place. Now I'm gonna come back, and I brought extra nails with me, and I'm gonna add in more nails along this nail strip for the original shingle, or for the new shingle, and then the nail strip on the existing shingles. Continuously trying to be as careful as possible not to damage the existing shingles, but to also perform a complete repair. Will you hand me the phone real quick? I'm gonna show them something. So when I went to lift this one up right here to put a nail in, I had a tear. These shingles are very brittle. Just want to point that out. Alright, got them into that nail strip. Now we'll lift up and put them in this one. To me. Alright, so as you can see from putting in this shingle, we have creasing here, Going on the top of the shingle above, we had a tear here. This tear was already there, so we won't count that. And then we had some small creasing happening right here. And then a little bit right here. So in our professional opinion, we don't believe this roof is repairable. So we ask that you take a second look into the claim for Mr. Phillip and see if we can come up with a better coverage decision to better suit his circumstances. Thank you so much for your time. Enjoy the rest of your day.